A Mouthful of Answers presents things to consider when buying an electric toothbrush. Not all electric toothbrushes are created equal. One of the biggest differences in electric toothbrushes are their brush heads. Some brush heads are rounded, like a dental tool. This enables them to surround each tooth for a thorough cleaning. Some brushes with rounded heads rotate and spin all the way around, while others may oscillate and pulse. Some even feature a pressure sensor, which automatically reduces the speed of the brush head and alerts you if you're brushing too hard. You'll also find other handy features in different models, like a brushing timer to help you keep track of how long you're brushing each area of your mouth. Some models even have Bluetooth connectivity to allow communication between your toothbrush and your smartphone for real-time feedback and tracking of your brushing habits over time. The best electric toothbrush for you is the one you're most likely to use and one that will help you brush like your dentist recommends. A healthier mouth starts with Oral-B. Oral-B. Brush like a pro.